Hello everyone, we're going to start with question number 21, in which we have been given that sum of all the terms from I1 to 9, limit is 9, for the equation xi minus 5 equals to 9, and sum of all the numbers from I equals to 1 to I equals to 9, limit is 9, xi minus 5 whole square equals to 45. Then we have to find the standard deviation of 9 items x1, x2 to up till x9. So we'll use directly the formula. So we know variance equals to 1 by n, sum of I equals to n, I equals to 1 to the power n and xi square, minus I 1 by n, sigma I equals to 1 to the power n xi whole square. So after applying all the values in this, we get 1 by 9 into 45 minus 1 by 9 into 9 whole square. After more simplification, we have 5 minus 1 and 4. So standard deviation equals to root of 4, which is 2. Therefore, we will have the answer A, which is 2. Thank you.